I have mentioned this in a lot of my videos that a critical illness life insurance policy is very important, na lahat tayo dapat meron ito, whether you're single, you're married, married with no kids, may mga anak ka na, or even, closing to retiree ka na, you still need critical illness insurance because you will never know kung kailan tayo magkakasakit. Actually, there's a study that 73% of people before they die would have a certain level of critical illness. So, napakalaking percentage nun. So, kung wala tayong critical illness insurance, saan natin kukunin yung pera pampagamot? Most likely sa savings natin or sa mga naipundar natin na bahay, kotse, business, savings, or mangungutang tayo kung wala tayong savings, or mamalimos, hindi ko alam, magiging pabigat tayo sa mga anak natin or sa ibang tao. So we don't want that to happen, and that's why it's very important. And in this video, we will talk about 3 different types of critical illness policies in AIA Philippines. We will compare. Let's compare the 3 policies that we have here that I highly suggest. Tapos mamili na lang kayo. So the first, one of my personal favorites is the AIA Critical Protect. Alright? Ano meron dito? It has coverage up to age 100. Critical illness coverage up to age 100. And then it covers you 57 major illnesses, and then 34 minor illnesses, and then 9 gender-specific cancers. So in total, 100 illnesses yung covered nun. So kung titignan natin kung magkano siya for a 38-year-old female, tingnan natin dito sa quotation na ito. If you can see, that's 38,242.50 for a 1 million coverage na life or critical illness, whichever comes first. Meron siyang rider na minor critical illness benefit. It advances 25%. So in this case, 250,000 pesos. It advances 25% of the face amount in case of diagnosis of a minor critical illness. And then, may additional 500,000 for gender-specific cancer benefit. For female nga, ang example dito is breast cancer or ovarian cancer. For male, it's prostate cancer. So additional 500,000 siya, magiging 1.5 million in case of gender-specific cancer benefit. All in all, 38,242.50 lang siya per year for 20 years. Si AIA Critical Protect, meron siyang 2 payment options. May 10 years to pay at may 20 years to pay. Yung pinakita ko kanina, 20 years to pay siya. I will show you yung 10 years to pay option kung gusto mong mas maikse. So with the same coverage for the same 38-year-old female, yung 10 years to pay ng 1 million coverage is 70,392.50 lang. So if you pay 10 years, that's only 703,000. Ang coverage mo 1 million. Covered ka na up to age 100. In case hindi magkaroon ng critical illness, which is yun ang gusto natin, hindi tayo magkasakit, magiging life insurance siya. So whichever comes first, whether death siya or critical illness, you get 1 million, and then hindi ka na magbabayad kung sakali man na hindi ka pa tapos magbayad for 20 years or 10 years. So ganun kaganda yung AIA Critical Protect. Straightforward lang siya na critical illness coverage, and then it converts to life insurance just in case nothing happens. Alright? So, and then also, itong policy na to, ito yung policy, ito yung product na pwede sa minor. Alright? So pwede siya sa minor. So nag-try ako for a 4-year-old male, alright, with the same benefit, 1 million life insurance or critical illness, 250,000 a major or the minor critical illness benefit, and then the gender-specific cancer benefit na 500,000, and then nagdagdag ako ng 500,000 recovery benefit kasi mura lang in case mabuhay yung insured, makakatanggap ng 100,000 for the next 5 years. So yung total ng 500,000. That's additional yon. So 2 million yung coverage, 1 million plus 500,000 and 500,000 ulit. Tapos may payers benefit on death and disability that waives the future premium in case of death or total and permanent disability ng owner, na ma-fully paid na or ma-waive na yung mga future premiums niya. No, it's only 1,000 pesos lang yung babayaran mo in addition for that. No, ang total premium is 15,509.53. Alright? And then 20 years to pay din ito. So parang 300,000 in total, 2 million yung total coverage na pwede mong mabigay sa anak mo. Yun yung maganda rito. The second option is our newest product, which is Max Protect. No, very trending din tong product na to kasi it's a base plan na life insurance lang. Kung gusto mo life insurance lang, ito yung product for you. And then pwede mong lagyan ng kung ano-anong rider, napakaraming rider options. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lalagyan natin ng health rider, which is the 10 major illnesses and then the hospital income benefit rider in case of hospitalization and confinement. So si Max Protect, ang critical illness niya, it only covers you up to age 75. Not bad na rin. No, kasi usually at younger age pa nga tayo nagkakaroon yan. So up to age 75, tapos 10 major illnesses lang. Alright? So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga 10 major illnesses later. Tignan muna natin kung magkano siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung cheapest option, which is pay up to age 65. So hindi siya 20 years to pay up to age 65 siya. So kung age 38 female, yung example natin, 27 years magbabayad. Alright? And then ang mga coverage na 1 million life insurance, hiwalay yun. Nakahiwalay yung 1 million life insurance doon sa total and permanent disability na 500,000, personal accident insurance na 500,000, and then the critical illness insurance, 500,000, nakahiwalay siya, additional benefit siya compared to the AIA Critical Protect na either or lang siya, whichever comes first. Dito, pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, makakuha ng 500,000 dun sa covered illnesses, and then in case of death, additional 1 million. Yun yung advantage niya. Tapos may hospital income benefit siya na 2,000 pesos per night of confinement. Kunyari, na-confine ng 5 days due to, kahit hindi critical illness, kunyari dengue. Alright, kung 5 days times 2,000, edi 10,000 makaka-claim ka. Living benefit siya habang buhay pa. All in all, 31,853.82 lang siya per year. No, 27 years to pay or pay up to age 65. So it varies. Longer siya kapag mas bata ka. Tapos pay up to age 65 ang pinili mo. Longer yung paying period mo. Pero syempre, mas mura. Alright? So ito yung mga critical illnesses na covered sa Max Protect. 10 major illnesses. Cancer, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV due to blood transfusion or occupationally acquired HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and then vital organ transplant. So yung 10 na yan, major illnesses na rin naman yan. And majority of the illnesses dyan ang gagaling. So if gusto mong kahit konti lang yung illnesses, basta mas maraming coverage, then you can go for Max Protect. I also want to read the notes on critical illnesses, no, na sa lahat ito, no, for everything that I discussed, all the products, right? No, merong 90 days waiting period. Hindi yung pagkakuha mo ngayon, next month, magkaroon ng critical illness. Hindi pa yung covered. Dapat 90 days after approval. And then, may 14 days na survival period. No? So, magiging considered na critical illness claim kapag nagkaroon ng critical illness na diagnose and then nag-survive ng 14 days. Kung namatay ka agad, death benefit lang. Yung kunyari, after 1 day lang, in a heart attack, tapos namatay ka agad, 1 day, hindi na siya critical illness claim, it's only a death claim. Meron ka pa ring death claim. Alright, so for this one, may 14-day survival period and then may 90 days na waiting period, no, para elimination period, just to make sure na wala kang sakit nung kumuha ka. Kasi maybe even if you don't declare at hindi nakita, protection yan ng company. Alright, for the hospital income benefit that I also discussed here, no, it's subject to 30 days waiting period. So meaning, hindi pwedeng kumuha ka ngayon, nag-hospitalize ka bukas, makaklaim mo na kaagad yung 2,000 per night. So after 30 days, on the 31st day, hindi naman na siguro pinaplano yon, so protection lang din ng company. Alright, by that time, covered na for every day of confinement. So si Max Protect, meron siyang 5 pay, may 10 pay, and pay up to age 65. So papakita ko sa inyo yung 10 years to pay. For the same 38-year-old female, with all the benefits and same benefits I discussed earlier, it's only 72,327.22. For 10 years, that's only 723,000. Ang coverage mo, may 1 million ka na life insurance, may 500,000 ka na total and permanent disability, 500,000 na personal accident insurance, and then 500,000 na critical illness. So 2.5 million yung total coverage. Bukod pa dun sa hospital income benefit, which is covering you for 365 days per year. So every day talaga siya, alright, to cover your illness. So per confinement siya, 72,000 lang siya. The third option I want to discuss with you is a VUL. Yung unang dalawang plan are whole life plans or traditional plans, non-VUL type. Yung pangatlong type is a VUL plan, one of our best-selling products before pandemic. It's called Health Invest Plus. Alright, so Yung critical illness coverage niya up to age 75 din. Meron din siyang 56 major illnesses, so marami rin siya. And then may hospital income benefit rider din siya. So just to show you, no, ang maganda dito, ang longest paying period niya ngayon is 7 years to pay. Alright, so 7 years to pay ng Health Invest Plus for a female age 38 is 67,234.64. No, ang coverage niya, 510,000 yung life insurance. And then may accident and health or accident insurance ka na 510,000 in case of accidental death. May 50,000 na medical reimbursement. Maganda tong rider na to kasi in case of accident, kahit hindi namatay, of course, kahit pagbuhay at na-aksidente, nakagat ng aso, nabundol, na injury sa sports, up to 50,000 per accident, pwede mo makaklaim, paulit-ulit yan. And then early stage critical illness, up to age 75 yung coverage, 510,000 din. Tapos may daily hospital income benefit na 2,000 per night. Mayroon pa tong additional bonuses or coverages na long-term hospitalization. Pag more than 30 days yung hospitalization, additional 2,000. If ICU, 4,000 per night ang coverage. And then outpatient treatment benefit in relation to confinement, 1,000 pesos. Alright, so yung both nagpa-check up ka before ka ma-confine and then after mo-confine. So twice yun. Alright, and then waiver premium for critical illness in case magkaroon ng critical illness within the 7-year period, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yung next few years. Alright, mawawave na rin siya. So all in all, 67,234.64, 7 years to pay. So mas mahal siya, pero shorter paying period. So I have clients na ito yung kinukuha kasi gusto nila tapos kaagad. No? Maybe they are business owners, they are OFWs, no? So they're opting for the 7 years to pay. In fact, si Health Invest Plus merong 3 years to pay and may 5 years to pay. Kaya lang definitely mas mataas yung mga minimum niya. No? Over 100,000 to 200,000 yung premium niya. So, depende sa affordability sa inyo, depende sa budget, alright? Pero syempre, ang maganda dito nga, shorter time to pay, mas maagang matatapos, and then in the future, pwedeng top up na lang. Kasi ang VUL, all VULs, by the way, hindi guaranteed ang paying period. Kung sobrang sumadsad ang account value due to pandemic, for example, or extreme cases, pwedeng sobrang liit ang account value, dapat mag-top up ka in the future. No? So, lahat naman yan. Alright, so just to summarize the three para makapili kang maigi, right? AIE Critical Protect, Max Protect, or Health Invest Plus. Let's look at this table. For critical illnesses, si AIE Critical Protect has 57 major illnesses, 34 minor illnesses, 9 gender-specific cancers, and then yung minor critical illness payout of 25%. Alright? Si Max Protect has 10 major illnesses covered. And then si Health Invest Plus, 56 major illnesses. And then may early stage payout din siya ng 25% nung face amount. Alright? Si coverage, alright, so coverage na up to age 100 si AIA Critical Protect kasi pang critical illness talaga siya. Si Max Protect, since rider yung critical illness up to age 75, ganoon din si Health Invest. Rider yung critical illness coverage up to age 75 siya. Alright, so daily hospital income benefit, yun lang yung wala kay AIA Critical Protect. Na meron kay Max Protect, pwede kang maglagay. And then Health Invest Plus has other benefits like the long-term hospitalization, ICU benefit, the outpatient treatment benefit, etc. Alright, and then pag-usapan natin yung other riders. Sa AIA Critical Protect, ang other riders na pwede mong ilagay is the gender-specific cancer benefit and the recovery benefit. No, so si Max Protect, pwede kang maglagay ng personal accident insurance, total and permanent disability, medical benefit, yung health card, which is yung MedAssist namin, which is now, we carry Medicard, pang inpatient lang siya, wala siyang outpatient. And then the enhanced waiver premium in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness, mawawave yung premium. And then si Health Invest Plus, pwede kang maglagay ng accident insurance, pwede kang maglagay ng medical reimbursement due to accident, and pwede kang maglagay ng waiver of premium for critical illnesses. So, ngayon, I discussed all three. Let me know. Leave in the comment section. Let me know ano yung best one for you. Ano yung pinaka napili mo. No, let me know. And if you would want to have a quotation and ask for a quotation, just message me. No, nakapili ka na siguro ng mas maganda or pinakamagandang critical illness insurance para sa iyo. Let me know what product, and then send me your full name, your birth date, your occupation, your mobile number, and how much coverage yung gusto mo para makagawa tayo ng customized proposal. all you need to do is just message me in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Di Maliwat or type in facebook.com/DJ Di Maliwat Official. So that's it for this video. I hope na nakatulong ito para maging clear kung anong product yung pwede mong kuhanin for your critical illness coverage, because you're making a great decision to ensure and to make sure to protect whatever you have, your savings, your investments, in case magkaroon na kayo ng critical illness. So thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.